Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I came across this online and there was no way I was not going to share it with you guys. Now, I am no fashion icon. I am not a fashionista or whatever it is that the term is, but I know what I like, and I know what I see, and I know what is right, and I know what is wrong, and I know what is acceptable, and I know what is unacceptable, and I'm not quite sure where to place this. So I don't even know where to begin, but it is quite striking. That is the one thing that I can say. This is striking, if nothing else. So if this if this girl is looking to make an impact, then she has done that. She has done that to the point that she has found herself online, and then she has done that to the point, I'm not sure if she put herself online, but she has done that to the point that she has found herself online, and she has now done that to the point that even I am now speaking about her. So this is just a picture. It doesn't really need too many words. It's trending on Twitter and everywhere else online. So now let's, as ever, go to the comment section, see what people make of it. So Frequency Unlimited, now your sister now, and then Juliet, I can't fit laugh Biko, and then Anonymous, Tiny's girlfriend. So I don't know who Tiny is. Ali says, is that not Peacock Feather? And then Tamuno, she's Daddy Freezes. So clearly Daddy Freezes, somebody is having a joke there with that Daddy Freeze, I think. And then let's have a look, see if there's more. Brofiga says, this is a guy dressed as a girl. Look closely. Let me go back and look again. It does look, I can see where that comment is coming from, and there's a good likelihood that that might well be the case, because this now seems to be the thing in Nigeria now, boys who will be girls and not whatnot. We have Adid Diong, might be fun, and then another one, she go use fly, obviously the feathers, and then Peacock Amaka says, Undu White, this is Scarecrow. And it's just the comments really tickles me sometimes. I really enjoy. Esther says, totally insane. And then Kashmir says, this is that silly Juliet Iwuno. So I don't know who Juliet Iwuno is. And then Kako, good for him. So they're now concluding that it's a guy, which I can buy into that. I didn't really pay that much attention, so I have to go look again. One says Imo State chick, this to the Imo State in the indigents there. And then D-boy, he says, come and carry the babe, where they make una fight every time. So now he's surrendering the girl to whoever wants her. And so there it is. And there goes my phone. So I'll round it off here. Comments in the comment section. Like, share, subscribe. And I'll leave it here. And peace.